this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly replace the paper roll on a Sam4s ER-900 series cash register. You're looking at a race key, model is 945, okay? So as you can see on the display, it's showing you an error message of warning, receipt paper end. That means you need to replace it. So go ahead and remove the cover, pull up the lever, and remove the paper roll or what's left of it, right? Grab the new roll and drop it in there. Pull this down, remove that, and put the cover back on. And finally, clear. And the register should be ready to go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our website at calbizpos.com.